to Daz Cafe, and I am Daz. Today we will fix rice dressing, which is a good alternative for those people who have wheat sensitivities and or issues with gluten. Please subscribe to my channel, and after the cooking segment, I will talk about 3 tips to control your appetite. So stay tuned. I put a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in a skillet, and my first ingredient that I'm going to add is brown rice, and I'm just using the Minute Maid brown rice, just the Minute Maid brown rice. And we're going to add that to the skillet, and it's already cooking in a nice black iron skillet that I like. My next ingredient for this dish is I'm going to add 1 cup of celery, and it's chopped. Already washed it and chopped it. And then 1/2 cup of chopped onions, and I put plenty of celery in it. I know it asked for a cup. I probably just did a heaping cup of the celery. And then my next ingredient, now you want to watch this. You don't want it on high because you don't want to burn the rice. You just want to cook it a little bit. And I'm getting that recipe from Pumpkin's Veggie Delight. And I'll have it in the link below. Now I'm going to add my broth. And this is 2 cups of a vegetable broth, but the actual broth that I'm using, you'll have to get this in the health food store, but this is McKay's vegetable broth. As a matter of fact, the company that manufactures this also manufactures the Little Debbie's, and they're in Tennessee. So I like this. It's a chicken flavor. It's all vegetable, no meat. If you don't want to use that, you can use any vegetable broth. You can use that as well. So I'm going to add this slowly. And it's cooking. I'm going to stir that around because I don't want the rice. It's uncooked. That's 1 cup of uncooked rice, and I'm using brown rice. You can use whatever rice you like, which is your favorite. I like brown rice. And I'm going to just stir it around a little bit there. And you use 2 cups of the McKay's chicken seasoning or vegetable broth. And you make it according to the directions. It's 1 teaspoon of the dry McKay's chicken seasoning. Let me show it to you if I didn't show it to you. So it's 1 teaspoon per cup of water. I put 1 tablespoon in here, and so I put a little bit extra so I can get that nice flavor because I like the taste of it. To me, it's a little bit more flavorful than the regular vegetable broth. But, you know, the vegetable broth is okay. And I'm going to add this 2 cups in there, but I'm going to do it slowly. And I'll keep stirring that around. And we're going to cook this just a little bit. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon, I use a little bit more than a 1/4, but a 1/4 teaspoon of sage or poultry seasoning, because the poultry seasoning main ingredient is sage, so you can use either or. And I'm putting that in right now. I will stir it around, and then I will add the rest of my liquid. Low until most of the liquid is somewhat absorbed, and you can tell that the celery is getting salty. That may take about 15 minutes, but I do like to watch
wash it because I don't want my rice to burn. But I think I have enough liquid. I'm going to still about 15 minutes on low, simmer it, and I'm going to put a top on it and check it periodically. Okay, I cooked it until most of the liquid was absorbed. And now I'm going to put it in a small dish. I just made a little bit. It's probably enough for just a few servings, maybe more, maybe 50, maybe. If you want to add something else, but you could. What you want to do is set it in the refrigerator so the rice will get plumped up and kind of gel more. An alternative is if you want to add some breadcrumbs to it. I like to use Italian Progresso, Italian breadcrumbs. You can do that. I'm just going to keep it rice. Again, some people have a sensitivity to wheat, so if you use any breadcrumbs, that will have wheat in it. So you just keep it like this. You can double that recipe. You will get more. This is a recipe just of pork meat. This is what we have. Our rice stuffing. Again, it's really good for people who have wheat sensitivities or can't do gluten. They can do the rice stuffing. Good flavor.